Hey guys, what's up? So in this video I will show you how to get the query string from the URL. So first of all, what is a query string? So let's say this is the URL you have, and in the URL what starts after this question mark is a query string. So what is query string used for? Query string is used to specify what you want from an API or from the URL or from the page or whatever. Now it starts with a question mark, and you can also club together many queries using these ampersands. So you will see that I have actually 3 query strings which says car, category cars, brand Toyota, for sale. So what it denotes is that I want a category that is of cars. I want to match the category field with this cars, the brand with Toyota, and for with sale. Alright, so now to get this out, now I'll show you how to get this out in your code. So let's go. So first of all, let me remove this so that there are no errors. So now what you can do is you can just console log, and from the request object, request dot query will give you the query string in the console. Console means here, right here in this area. So now if I go to this route, the API / IDs. So if I go here, first let me remove this. So currently if you go to your console window, you will see an empty parentheses brackets, which denotes that there is no query string, which indeed there is no query string. So now let us add a query real quick. So now I'll add a category of cars just right here. Now if you go back in your console, you'll see category equals cars, which okay, I forgot to mention one thing. You don't have to pass any quotes right here. This would be the field, and this would be the value. So for the value you don't have to pass any quotes, because you can see that it's automatically in quotes. Even though if you pass some quotes, let us try. If you pass quotes, it will become in this format, which is like not suitable. So you'll just go just like that without any quotes. So now you get it in your console. Now let's do multiple, like more than one query. So now I add an ampersand, and let's add a subcategory of Toyota and for equal sale. So now if you go back to the console, you'll have category, subcategory, and for whatever this is, right? So you'll get all 3 of them. You can also do multiple of single things. So for example, now I want a brand of Toyota, and I want brand of Nissan. Alright, so now if you go back, now it will be an array. The brand would be an array of Toyota and Nissan. So this is how you can pass multiple, or you can even pass the same, and the same will form an array, which is also useful. So that was a quick tutorial, guys. I hope you like it. If you want any more tutorials like this, tell me in the comment section and I'll make a video if I can. Alright, thank you, have a great day.